Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute. Now, real quick, for those of you that are new, when I say live, what I mean is this is me recording myself getting the data for the very first time. So if you want raw thoughts, raw emotions, raw reactions, you will get that with this video. But this is not a situation where everything's already been recorded and now I'm coming back and talking about it or doing a post commentary, nothing like that. So if you want the nitty gritty, looking at what it's like to be a trader, then you will definitely get that with the video. But yeah, a nicely scripted video, nicely edited, you will not get that. But if you want the nitty gritty, dirty look, then you're going to get that. And it should be starting any second now. I'm going to be watching ticker symbol WORK, excuse me, out of the opening gates. And we'll see what happens with it. So I will go ahead and pause and I'll be back at the open. All right, the markets are open. And let's see what work. Why don't I just call it work? Wouldn't that make life a little easier? Work wants to do out of the opening gates here. $38.35 actually looks like an interesting area to potentially go short on. Well, now it's bouncing though. Good. Fact, WORK, 38.35, flush point, 1 minute. So in at 38.35, I think this thing wants to get moving to the downside now. See if we can get down through 38. There we go. And all up there for $312 in, let's see, well, it's 9:31. 9:31.02. So almost a minute into the day, up $300. And there we go. You can see, I didn't show it at time, but this is my live community. If you're not familiar with claytrader.com, I do offer a live community. And part of that is this chat room here. So originally alerted to work as, was it a dead cat bounce? Because it started to show green for that little bit of time. So I said, is this some sort of dead cat? But then I said, and mapped out right there, 38.35 flush point, meaning wanting to see it go down. And if you're new to the markets, believe it or not, you can make money when prices go down. That is known as shorting, going short, shorting a stock, being a short. Crazy, I know. First time, wait, what? You can make money when prices go down. You absolutely can, and you just saw it right there. And again, that is known as going short. So that's how I made money right there. But little context here. It is, yesterday was Thanksgiving. So it is, I guess, Black Friday today. Markets close at 1 o'clock. And it's kind of one of those days where, stuff goes on, but not really. It's just weird, right? Yesterday was just Thanksgiving. I was eating a bunch of good food. Now I'm sitting here in front of the market trading again. It just doesn't feel right. There's always something weird about, Black Friday from a trading perspective, because literally the previous day was like my favorite holiday, Thanksgiving. Now I'm back doing this. So point here being, I like to try to give myself long weekends, especially after Thanksgiving. Just try to make it one long 4-day weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna call it good. I will take it. $312 in basically a minute. I'm more than happy with that. I'm not a greedy savage. Real quick before I go, if you are interested in getting those alerts, getting my watch list, being part of that inner circle community, which is that private chat room there that you saw an example of, just go to claytrader.com/team. You can learn more there about it. The way to approach that is we'll use this pricing model, $99, not per month, but for 3 months. So $99 for 3 months breaks down to $8.25 per week. So the question just becomes, if I invest $99, do I believe I can get at least $8.25 per week of value? If you think you can get at least $8.25 per week of value, then yeah, you'll get a great return on your investment. And you just saw that alert right there. Members had the opportunity to make well over 100 or, well over that $99 in a single trade in a single minute. So like I said, I'm quite confident that that's more than fair pricing for everything you'll get. And then as far as this live trade video is concerned, please hit that like button if you enjoy these. These are not the easiest videos to make. I need to talk to you. I need to think for myself. I need to think to make alerts in the chat room. I need to type and make alerts in the chat room. There's a lot going on. So it's not easy. It's difficult, but it's doable, and I will continue to do it. But I just have to know that my time is being spent wisely doing this. And the easy way for you to tell me that my time is being spent wisely is to hit that like button and even leave a simple comment below. Thanks, Clay. A thumbs up emoji. Something as simple as that in the comment section lets me know that you enjoy these videos. And as long as I know people enjoy these live trades, I will keep doing them. Doing them. I think I got turkey stuck in my teeth or something. And then also check out the channel as a whole. Lots of content out there, lots of different videos. So if you like what you see enough, hopefully hit that subscribe button, as I would love to have you as a subscriber to the channel. But I hope you all had a fantastic Thanksgiving. Maybe some of you are still having the Thanksgiving. Maybe you do like a multi-day feast, which I'm all for. But hope you have a great Thanksgiving, and thanks for hanging out, and everybody take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.